guys, I'm Archie Roger and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to make a bike check video. This is my Santa Cruz 5010. It's got a carbon CC frame and it's really strong and light. The bike uses a virtual pivot point linkage system. The forks are RockShox Pike 140mm travel. The shock is the RockShox Super Deluxe Ultimate with 130mm travel. We've got race face arc alloy rims. We're running on Maxxis tyres EXO casing. Assegai front and Minion DHR2 on the rear. The tyre pressures are 14 psi on the front and 15 psi on the rear. It's got a full SRAM GX grip set with electric gears, 170mm cranks. It's got a RockShox V-Rev hydraulic dropper post with 125mm travel. It's got wolf tooth pedals, Indra C9 hubs. It's got the SRAM G2RS hydraulic brakes with 200 rotors on the front and 180 on the rear. It's got a burst tech stem. Santa Cruz carbon bars with 20mm rise. Santa Cruz grips which are nice and soft on the hands. Thanks for watching my bike check video. Any questions, put it in the comments below. Thanks.